Now your certified storm-ready forecast from NBC 25.
Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Ahmed Badji. We don't have a 6 o'clock broadcast tonight because of golf, but here is your web weather forecast. We're going to go a little in depth on what we've got for severe weather chances to start the week. Overall, here's what we're looking at for your forecast, though. 2 more hot days at the beginning of your next 7 days. Severe weather is a threat, though, because of those 2 really warm days out ahead of us. There's a warm front that's going to go through. That's the main reason. I'll show you that in a minute. Then we actually cool down throughout the rest of the week. Mainly, though, for tonight, 62 degrees, very mild during the overnight hours tonight. Showers and storms are likely after about midnight. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, so it's not going to be too bad unless you're in a storm. 81 degrees for your high tomorrow. Storms after about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. There is a severe weather threat. I'm going to break that down in a minute just so you can see what we're expecting and where we're expecting it to happen. 6 to 12 miles per hour out of the south. Now, as we set our model into motion, keep an eye on the clock. First off, 8 o'clock tonight is when we're going to start it. And then we've got scattered showers that are going to pop up all the way through tonight and into Monday morning. Now, as we go towards Monday, you can see the scattered showers popping up here and here. As we go into Monday afternoon, here's where it all starts. You can see 1:55 in the afternoon is where we're expecting it to kind of pick up. Main reason for this is a warm front all the way across the southern part of the state. That is going to mainly be positioned, as we're looking at it, around the I-69 corridor, and that's where the most likely severe weather is going to occur. It's going to have to be a little interesting, though, because we have to watch exactly where the warm front's going to be, and predicting where that is going to line up is a little difficult right now, but I-69 looks about to be where it's going to stand. As that starts to erode, we go into Monday night, we get a little bit of a break. As we go into Tuesday afternoon, however, we get storms that are going to fire up all over again by about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Main reason for this one, well, off to the west, we've got this cold front that's pushing on through. You can see the divide, a nice line of clouds, and then right behind it, clear skies. The cold front is kind of pushing those out ahead of it. Well, that moves on in. These start to fire on up. Widespread heavy rain is really what we're looking for on Tuesday evening. There is the chance for a strong storm or two, a little bit of a severe weather threat, but the main threat for severe weather is on Monday. Speaking of that, here's the slight risk that the Storm Prediction Center, the SPC, has issued for everybody for Monday. Now, it shows that bad axe, the tip of the thumb, isn't included in the slight risk. I don't trust it. We've had storms that have rolled through there over the past weeks or so. So for right now, expect the green to extend in to include the rest of the thumb. Now, as we go into the next 7 days, we're going to focus first on Monday. So here we go. On Monday, here's where we've got 81 degrees. We're going to break down the severe weather threat. Wind is going to be the main one to watch for. We're going to look at severe thunderstorms to have that pretty strong straight line wind threat. Hail, there's going to be a chance for some large hail. We're talking about an inch and a half size hail. It'll put a ding in your car, so make sure you take care and watch for that if a severe storm is headed towards your area. Now, heavy downpours are expected as well. There's a lot of moisture with this system, so we'll have to watch for a localized flood threat as well. The main one that everybody always looks at, though, is the tornado threat. Now, there is a small bar there. I'm watching kind of the way everything shifts along the warm front. Now, we're looking at the I-69 corridor where that warm front's going to line up, so that would be the area to watch for this bar to be a threat. But you can see it is still low. There's a very low threat, but it is there. It doesn't look like it's going to be too bad of a situation, but it is something that we are going to have to watch for. The next rest of the 7 days, though, doesn't look too bad. We do cool down, and we've kind of gotten spoiled with the 80-degree temperatures. 79 degrees on Tuesday, scattered showers and storms, just like I mentioned. Rain continues on throughout the rest of the week. We dive on down back into the mid-50s. We shoot back up, however, by the weekend, and Sunday looks to be 63, bright and sunny. Should be a pretty good day, so get outside and enjoy it. But again, watch for the severe weather threat Monday and Tuesday.